Hi there, another quick video. I was unable to adjust the headlights manually, so I had to remove the bumper again and remove the headlights, and this is what we got going on. So you've got this adjuster. You can actually buy this. I don't know if it's still available, but if you're really careful, my one went yeah, it goes like that. It goes in there somewhere like that. You can see where it screws in. Okay, goes on there. Now you've got to make sure that these adjusters do turn there and there. That one does actually turn, which is good. This one's a little bit more stiff. It's got to turn a motor. I'm going to spray it. But look, one of these, one of them only turns a certain amount. I don't want to force it and break it, and I certainly don't want to take this thing apart. And I've got a feeling I've sprayed so much rust spray in there that maybe it's meant to be like that, but the other one does actually turn all the way. So I'm going to reassemble it, and hopefully I can get this headlight aimed up. Oh, by the way, it has another adjuster here. It must be for up and down. Yeah, it's got a cable on it, and yeah, this cable is frozen, so I've just taken it out. It goes into here, into this section there. So look, I know for a fact that this one moves this section. This must be up and down. So with the cable removed, then it's because it can now turn. Okay, so I'm going to leave it as that. I'm going to reassemble it, and of course there's the headlight bulb. All right, and you have to remove the headlight to change that bulb there. This one's a different talk show. You can probably get your hands in there. Anyway, that's it for now.